Hey everybody, this is Dr. Ben Pearl with FitFootU, and today I'm here with former goaltender for DC United in the Ben Olsen era, Andrew Dykstra. And today we're going to talk about something very important, not only for sports like soccer, but just for general fitness and health and prevention. We're going to be talking about balance today. Balance is critical for two reasons. Number one, it's just good for prevention for things as we age, as our sensory becomes diminished, to be able to control where we're walking and have that skill set so that we don't fall and trip over a curb and break our hip, which has a huge impact on our life. Number two, balance is critical for advanced field sports. So we're going to go through a couple exercises both for general fitness for the everyday person and also some sports specific things for advanced things. Andrew's going to show us and talk about the first drill. Welcome, Andrew. Tell us a little bit about some drills you like to do coaching now.
Thank you very much for having me. So there are some basic stuff you can do when we talk about proprioception and balance, as the doctor said. One for the novice would be just simple balancing on your one leg. Right? You can take that up a notch at home by closing your eyes. Right? It takes a little bit more skill. Now, if you're more of an advanced athlete, and you want to start incorporating this into your sport, or maybe you're a soccer player, you could be balancing on one leg and giving volleys back, right? So we're still working on the stability of the knee, hip, and ankle, because they all work in conjunction, and now you're working in some of your ball work, right? So now you have skill development, and you have all the stability work that we were talking about.
One of the other new things that has been introduced into field sports and running is this barefoot science idea. I want to just sort of give some perspective to that whole idea. Andrew has told me that he loves building up the intrinsics for himself. He's an advanced player, he's a professional player. Sometimes with the kids and doing some of the exercises, you're going to incorporate some more simple drills. The one thing I do want to say though is, despite the importance of developing that fast, reactive proprioception on the bottom of our feet, if Andrew and I are going shoulder to shoulder, it doesn't matter how good that proprio is if you don't have the basic core and pelvic stability. So he's going to take us now through something easy that you can do, and then take it to now the athletic level. So let's take a look, Andrew.
Right, so one would be, and this is again to build that pelvic stability and a lot of the glute strength, which we all need. It's just simple hip bridges. So place 2 feet on the ground, nice rest the neck, pulling the hips up, and we're trying to tighten the glutes. Okay? This is all the hip stability. This is everything we all need. Okay? If you want to kick this up a notch, if you're a more advanced athlete, if you're a soccer player, you want to build a little bit more strength, we can go to one leg. So lift one leg in the air. Now we're up, control, and down. Okay? It's going to make the movement a lot harder, a lot more difficult, and really build that strength.
Okay, so we're going to got one overtime exercise. He's going to show us something you can do while you're waiting in line at the grocery store, and then take it up one more notch for athletic level. Let's go over to goalpost.
So again, the doctor mentioned the advantages of not wearing shoes, and this is something that I do and in my own workouts at home. The idea is we're building a lot of the stability and we're working on proprioception, a lot of little muscles involved in and around the feet and ankle. So if you're at home or you're in line and you need to balance, no problem. Say 2 feet again. We're going up with our ankles and back down. Okay? So this is simple work. It's going to work a lot of the muscles on the part of the foot, the calf muscles. We can even do a version where we bend the knees and we're doing them. Right? So now we're working more on the soleus, lower part of the muscles of the leg. If you want to make this more sport specific to soccer and running, what we can do is you get a nice lean, because as we sprint, we don't sprint standing straight up, right? Our weight goes forward. So that's what we're kind of replicating here. Go up with one leg. Now we're involving some hip stability in the hip flexors as well. And now we're going one-legged calf raises. So this is more joint specific to like the way we run and more carry over into your sport.
You can add levels of dimension with flex bands and weights, but these are simple things that you can do, and consistency is the key. So, till next time, it's Dr. Ben Pearl with goaltender Andrew Dykstra with FitFoot U.
All right, thank you.